Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 28 of our playlist JavaScript functions 0 to advanced. Okay, so here we will see what is the function declaration. So let's see. A function declaration defines a function with name and can be called before it is defined due to hoisting. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? Let's see with the example. Okay, so this is what our HTML template, basic HTML template. Let me write it too. So here, what we did, we created one app.js and we linked that app.js file using script tag, right, through HTML, right, so that our external file will be recognized by the HTML. Okay, and we started the live server. We started the live server, and here is our live server working. Okay, so let's write something inside this so that we can check whether it's working or not. Hello world. Okay, so it is printing, means our JavaScript file is successfully linked. Okay, so what, how we can create the function? We will write function keyword. Then for example, I want to sum two values. I want to add two values. So how can I add? So can you tell me whether this function will work or not? Suppose I'm writing one message, working. So tell me, will it work or not? Okay, will it work or not? No, there is no output. Okay, can you tell me, like, what is this? If I write like this, what will happen? Will it work or not? No, this will not work. Why? This is what comment, or we can say not executable statement, right? This is not executable statement. Same, this function, if we are not calling this function, this is also not executable statement. Okay, if it is not executable statement, means this function is not executable statement, it will not take any memory. Okay, it takes memory when you call the function. So when I write sum like this, so this is what executable statement. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? So what is the mean of executable? When you call the function, then only this functionality will work. If you will not call the function, the functionality will not work at all. Let's see. So what it is printing, working. Okay, let me remove the comment so that you can clearly visualize. Okay, so I want to add two values. So let me remove this also. I want to add two values. So first I need to send two values, right? So for example, 10 and 20. So I am sending two values, 10 and 20. So who will receive? There is no receiver. What is the function name? Sum. Here is the function name. Is there anyone receiver inside the bracket, inside the parameter? No, there is no receiver. So we will write the receiver name. For example, num1 is one receiver, num2 is another receiver. Fine. So we are sending two numbers and we are receiving two numbers. That is fine. Now what we have to do, I want this function add two numbers. So how it will add? Num1 plus num2. This is how it will add. So I want, like, this is not only add, but it should return. Return means it will return this addition of two numbers from where it is calling. So see here, from line number 6, this function is calling which function? Sum function. From line number 6, this function is calling. So where it will return? From where it is calling. So it will return num1 plus num2 to the 6th line. Okay, line number 3 will return the addition to line number 6. Okay, how we will check? Let me print this. Console.log. Let me print this. So what it should print? Whatever it is returning. What it is returning? Addition. So what is the addition? 10 and 20, 30. So it should return 30. So what it will print? 30. Okay, it is printing 30. Or we can write something like this, console.log. Okay, so if it is returning, so instead of writing like this, we can also, okay, this is just an example. We can, let me remove this. So when we call the function, it returns. Our function is returning sum. So can we store this sum into the result variable? Yes, we can store. So whenever you create a variable, you should use let, where, or const. Okay, something, any keyword you should use. So I'm using let. So whatever it will return, the result variable will store, because the result is a container. So can I print something like this? Console.log using ES6 way, using backtick. Sum is, and I will say result. Okay. So will it work? Yes, of course it will work. Right. If I will, okay, so when I'm calling the function, it is asking two values. So we are passing two values and it is adding two values and it is returning addition. It is returning sum to the line number 6 because from here it is calling. Okay, calling function. So, right, like this. So this is known as function declaration, right? So like this, you can see like we are passing argument and we are returning value as well. Okay. So I hope you understood this example well. Okay. In the next video, we will discuss more about the functions. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching this video.